I'll suggest you to carry a mini dog भूख रहा है यार. Please don't bark, doggy. So the next thing which I'll nahi. Hello my lovelies, how are you all? Welcome or welcome back to my channel Manisha Fashionista, and if you are new to my channel, I am Manisha and I hope you all are doing extremely well. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel, hit that bell icon, and please follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and don't forget to visit my website, and all the links are in the description box. Please do check. So as summer has started and heat is going haywire, I felt to share some summer essential with you all. So this video is all about summer essential which every girl must have in their bag or they should carry with them. So I'm going to share some interesting things in this video. So please keep watching this video till the end. For more details, let's get into the video. Before starting this summer essential list, I just want to share that my voice is not similar as other video. I'm having little cough and fever, so please bear with my voice if you feel little different voice. So I just wanted to tell you that. And I also want to remind that my last video was monthly favorite. I'll give the link in the I button. That video was all about a monthly favorite video, and I have also announced my first giveaway. And if you don't know, and if you're new watching my video first time, so please do participate in my giveaway. That's my first giveaway on my channel, so please do participate. Now let's get started with the summer essential list. So this list is for working women or for college going girl, or when you are going for trip, either with friends, family. So this summer list can be very helpful for you. You should carry and you must carry. So this will help you in this sunny, this summer heated days. So in general, I'll just share, please carry a tote bag or a backpack, whatever is comfortable with you. So this is must if you're going out, and if you're traveling or either you're working, you're going college. So this will help you to assemble everything in your one bag. So let me start with the list which I was talking about, the essential. So first thing is umbrella. This will give you protection from the sun rays, direct sun rays. So umbrella is necessary in rainy season, but you can carry in summer as well to protect yourself from direct sun rays. This will help you not to get your skin tan in direct sun. So the first thing I'll suggest you to carry a travel friendly umbrella which will be easier to carry in your bag. आजकल बहुत छोटी छोटी umbrellas मिलती है जो fold हो जाती है easily छोटी size में. So you can carry that one, and you can it's very travel friendly and ज़्यादा heavy नहीं हो जाएगा आपका bag भी. So you can carry these kind of umbrella. You can get protected from direct sun. So this is must. Either it will work in rainy season as well in summer season as well. So my first thing is umbrella for everyone. Now the second thing I'll suggest you is, which is a pair of sunglasses which I have shown you in the last video. Any pair of sunglasses which you are comfortable with, so you should carry that one to protect your eyes directly from the sunlight or sun rays. So this is another must. I'll suggest you a moisturizer to keep your skin moisturized throughout day. Now the third thing which I'm going to share is very common thing, but then too I just wanted to include this in the list, essential list, which is must, is sunscreen lotion. This is from Plum, and if you're going out, I'll suggest you to apply sunscreen lotion before leaving the house. Before 20 minutes or 30 minutes, apply it, rest, and then get out of the house. I'll suggest you, and use more than 50 SPF or 50 SPF sunscreen lotion if you are going out. So this will give you protection from sun rays and direct sun rays to your skin, and the skin will not get tan. So this will be the best option for you to carry a smaller size, this kind of a smaller size travel friendly sunscreen lotion. So I'll suggest you this, which is really important for everyone, which is a water bottle Water bottle will keep you hydrated. You can carry a smaller version of the bottle. I am just giving you an example to tell you what is the essentials. So you can carry a small water bottle and fill with either with Nimbu Pani, or you can, if you are okay with water, fill it with water. If you are okay with Nimbu Pani or something like that, just keep that bottle with you so that you can keep yourself hydrated in this sunny day. So I'll suggest you to keep this bottle every time with you. I think in any season you should keep a water bottle with you. Next thing is you should carry a scarf like this, or either you can go for a cotton. Cotton is much better for summers, so you can carry a scarf, or either you can wear shrug, full sleeve shrugs to protect you from direct sun rays, and you can wear closed footwear from front which are closed so that your foot is not directly open directly to the sun ray. And try to wear socks, or you can carry a pair of socks in your bag, so that whenever you feel you are getting directly rays or sunlight, you can wear that pair of socks anytime. Now another few things which are really important are wet wipes, dry tissues, and panty liners, sanitary napkin. So to keep yourself refreshed throughout the day, I'll suggest you to carry a pocket perfume or a miniature perfume like this to keep your refresh, and you can just spray it whenever you feel, if you are going office, if you are working in your college or anywhere. This pocket perfumes or deos will work life savior when you are stinking or sweating. So this will really work well if you want to feel fresh. Thing I'll suggest with this is a roll-on. Roll-on is also important. If you are not a perfume or a deo kind of a person, you can just roll this up in your arms. So this will also protect you or feel refreshed, because this also because roll-on also have fragrance, so this will also help you to feel refreshed and smell good. As I've shared perfume and deo, with that you can also carry a toning mist. You can just spray it on your face and you can feel refreshed, as I've always told you in my other videos. So this will also give you a freshness for your mood. You'll feel fresh, you will smell fresh. This will also help you to refresh yourself, so you should carry a toning mist. See, all the things which I'm telling you, you can pick and choose, because everything is not important for everyone. So you can pick and choose according to your requirement. You can keep it in your bag, or you can carry normally in your office bag, or if you're traveling. So you can carry all this stuff accordingly. You don't need to carry a lot of stuff. Quantity, go for one thing and you are good to go. Now another thing which I would like to share is you should carry some snacks. Like you can carry gummies, you can carry dry fruits, or you can carry chocolates, or if you have any health issues, you can carry some of the food which is okay with you, or if you eat and you feel good or relaxed, so you should carry little light kind of food or fruits, whatever is comfortable with you. Carry at least 1 or 2 things in your bags which can go easily in your bag, so that you can eat or munch it whenever you feel, because in summer days, because of heat and all, you feel thirsty, you feel hungry. So you can keep all this. Because of that, you should not get dizzy, or you should not feel sick. So I think you should carry a little bit of things like gummies or food or fruits or something like that in your bag, so that this can help you in any situation. Now the things which I'm going to share is, if you're visiting a beach, or you're going for a trip, or for a one-day picnic, you can carry these essential in your tote bag or in your backpack. It's all up to you. Now in this you can carry is your swimwear, your shower essentials, if you feel undergarments, and you can wear some flowery summer dress. You should wear some flip-flop or some footwear, this kind of footwear which really look quirky, and this is appropriate with a beach dress. So these kind of footwear which are open and for beach and with a dress, it goes very well. So I think you can pair it with, if you are a makeup person, you can carry a little makeup pouch. You people must be thinking there are so many things I'm telling you to carry. What you can do is you can pick and choose from single things, and then you can carry, because everybody is not fan of everything, or everybody don't like perfume or deo. So you can pick one thing from each of the things, and you can carry a small pouch. I'll just show you this kind of pouch, and keep all the stuff in small pouch. Even you can go for a big pouch this kind of a pouch wherein you can keep your stuff inside, and you can throw this in your tote bag or in your backpack. And this you don't need to remove every time, so this will save your time and this will be there with you every time. So these things are must in your summer essential list. These were little things which I have shared with you. You can carry with you in your bags, or where if you're going for a trip. So these lists can help you, these things can help you to sort your day or sort your trip. All this thing can be carried for working women, for a college going girl, and for a trip. If you're going for a trip, this will work, and this will really help you in your day-to-day life for at least summer period. With all of these, don't forget to carry mandatory thing in all the season, which is a mask, a sanitizer, and don't forget to carry a pee-safe wherever you're going. As a woman, please carry this for hygiene purpose. I have always recommended in my other videos, so I'll recommend you to carry a pee-safe as well. This is important nowadays, but I'm telling you, this is also important for everyone. So please do carry with you. I just want to give a tip that try to wear more white in summers and try to wear more cotton fabric. It is good to wear white and cotton in summer. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope these essential lists will help you, and you can now make your list what to carry in your summer essential bag. If you're going office, if you're working, or if you're going for a trip, please do make a list after watching this video. And please don't forget to comment down if you have made a list or you have started carrying this thing after watching my video. So please comment down, let me know. And if you want to suggest me anything that if I have not mentioned in this video or in this summer list, so please comment down and let me know. Maybe I learn something from you guys. I hope this video helps you guys. Please do share this video with other girls. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon. And don't forget to participate in my giveaway which is running, and soon it is going to be in. On 14th I'm going to announce result. So please participate in the giveaway, and winner is going to get amazing Mamaearth hamper. So please don't forget to participate, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to visit my website, and all the links are in description below. And don't forget to give a big fat thumbs up to this video, guys. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for watching.